How to remove your Google account from a computer. Hey guys, this is Lucy and let's get started. So first you need to open the browser in which your Google account is logged in, and here in the top right corner click on your profile of your Google account and click on the sign out button. After that you are gonna type gmail.com in your search bar, and after that you have to click on remove an account button. Here you need to choose the account you're removing, and it says this will no longer be with Google services in your account, so just click on yes, remove. After that you need to clear all your browsing data, so you're gonna click on these three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. After you've come to settings, you're gonna click on privacy and security. Here there's an option called delete browsing data. So what you're gonna do is click on the time range and click on all the history you don't want from this account and click on delete data. And after that go to this profile icon and click on this icon here and go to your Google account. Click on the three dots and click on delete, and your account from this browser will be deleted. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Meet you guys in the next video.